In this video, I'm going to share 5 very important tips to consider when beginning to learn to play the tongue drum. Welcome to Root Rhythm. Join me, Alex Ray, as I share my favorite tongue drum and frame drum resources and tutorials. Subscribe now to begin exploring your rhythm. Tip 1. Position your tongue drum to get the best sounds possible. If you are playing your tongue drum while standing up, make sure the stand is adjusted to your height. Play around with adjusting the stand so that your elbows are comfortably bent at about a 90-degree angle, and your forearms are parallel to the floor or slightly angled downward. This position actually helps prevent strain and allows for better control and movement when using your mallets or hands to play. If you are playing your tongue drum on a table, also make sure your arms and elbows aren't stretched too high above or below the tongue drum. If you are playing on the floor or on your lap, make sure your carpet, clothes, or pillows aren't muffling or dampening the sound too much. Consider using a stand to elevate the tongue drum slightly off the floor or on your lap to allow the sound to breathe out in all directions. My husband and I actually make these tongue drum stands specifically designed for these playing methods, so I'll add the link to the stands in the description box below. Okay, tip 2. Get familiar with your tongue drum. Understanding the layout of the notes is really important. Each drum is tuned differently, so spend some time exploring the scale and the note positions. Try to get comfortable with where each note is located and how it feels to strike them. If you don't know what scale your tongue drum is in, I actually have a separate video I'll link below that actually goes into more detail about how to find it. Also, check if certain notes don't pair well when played together at the same time, and mark them with a sticker or tape to remind yourself to not play them together when you are first starting out. I also have an additional video that explains this sticker hack, linked below. Tip number 3. Compare the sounds between different types of mallets. Listen to how your tongue drum sounds with rubber mallets. In my opinion, it produces a slightly louder, sharper, and heavier sound. I use my rubber mallets for producing slower sounds in songs where single, louder hits are needed, or for when I want to play rolls, since the rubber makes it a little bit easier to bounce and roll the mallets together. Also listen to how your tongue drum sounds with felt mallets. In my opinion, the felt mallets produce a very soft, warmer, and cushioned sound. The felt mallets reduce the attack and emphasize the drum's resonance and sustain. For me, I love using felt mallets for creating soothing and gentle sounds. They're really great for ambient music and practice sessions where softer tones are preferred. I also find it easier to play with felt mallets because they are a little bit lighter and easier to control. My husband and I have also designed and created our own tongue drum mallets. These mallets are an ideal length, balance, diameter, and an ideal firmness that helps bring the most resonant sounds out of the tongue drum. I'll add a link to the description box below if you're interested in checking these out. Tip 4. Practice basic rhythms and patterns. Start with simple rhythms to begin building your coordination and timing. Here's an easy beginner pattern called 4 on a hand that focuses on creating even strokes and consistency in your rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. To build off of this pattern, try alternating between your right and left hand between 2 different notes. I cover a variety of basic rhythms and patterns in both my Tongue Drum Basics and Tongue Drum Beyond the Basics online courses. These courses help with coordination and rhythm so you can eventually play more complex and dynamic rhythm patterns like this one. Tip 5. Don't get stuck playing the same sounds over and over. You may notice a similar playing style emerge as you get more comfortable and confident with your playing. For example, you may notice your right hand leading on a specific note more often than others. To give more variation to your playing style, rotate your tongue drum so that the notes are in new positions. It can create an entirely different sound. Check it out. If you enjoyed these tips and want to learn more about tongue drums and rhythm, please subscribe to my channel. Check out my links in the description box below for additional tongue drum resources, mallets, stands, and online courses. Thanks again.